Number 1. Offered at $27,000, this 1954 Buick Special is a two-door sedan featuring its original 264 nailhead V8 and largely original components, including much of the interior. The front-end chrome has been recently redone, and the body is solid. It runs well with no overheating issues and comes with extra parts. Riding on white wall radial tires, it includes a spare and has won multiple trophies, including Best Buick at the Route 66 Fun Run. Number 2. This 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, offered at $8,500 in Syracuse, New York, shows strong potential. It boasts a 350 Vortec crate engine with Phytec fuel injection for improved reliability and drivability. Well cared for and sparingly driven, it includes aftermarket and original rally wheels, or $7,000 without aftermarket rims. A good runner. Its brakes could use a rebleed for optimal performance, and a new transmission pan gasket is needed, kit included. Both simple fixes. With strong curb appeal, its upgraded engine makes it an enjoyable cruiser and a practical entry into classic Corvette ownership. Number 3. Priced at $12,900, this 1950 Ford Custom is a baby blue California car powered by a flathead V8 engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Showing 87,286 miles, it features a very clean interior. The car is described as solid and clean throughout, presenting as a classic cruiser ready for enjoyment. Number 4. This 1969 Dodge Coronet R/T Tribute, priced at $39,950 in Waterbury, Connecticut, blends vintage Mopar styling with serious modern performance. Originally a 318, it now houses a rebuilt 1971 big block 440 Police Interceptor V8 with performance upgrades, including dual 550 CFM Edelbrock carburetors, paired with a TCI 727 Street Fighter automatic transmission. It features upgraded suspension, front disc brakes, and a TTI 2.5-inch exhaust. The driver quality paint and functioning power convertible top present well, though a rear window zipper needs attention. The impressive original interior has functional gauges, lights, and wipers, except the right turn indicator. Number 5. The 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Hardtop is offered at $19,500, showing 74,400 miles. This solid original survivor from the West has had extensive recent work on its brake, cooling, and fuel systems, making it a dependable driver. The original interior is in nice condition with everything functioning as it should. Its chrome and stainless trim are described as stunning. Number 6. Offered at $28,000, this 1966 Ford Mustang is a meticulously preserved, one-owner California car from South San Francisco. This factory A-code Mustang originally had a 289 V8 and 4-speed manual. The original 1966 pink slip is included. Always garaged and rust-free, it now sports a new 302 CI engine with under 1,000 miles, a refreshed engine bay, Hurst shifter, and upgraded front disc brakes. The exterior, in its original factory color, was recently resprayed. The fully restored interior features new seats, headliner, dash knobs, and radio, offering a superb blend of originality and thoughtful upgrades. Number 7. The 1952 Oldsmobile 98 is listed at $25,000. With fewer than 90,000 miles, it features 98% original body and paint, while the upholstery has been redone. This car is being sold to free up garage space. No trades are accepted. Number 8. This 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Bubble Top Holiday Coupe, priced at $29,500, is an exceptionally preserved, one-owner California car from Mountain View. It's rust-free and unrestored, retaining its original body, paint, and trim, and it runs and drives excellently. The sale includes both original and aftermarket rally wheels. The iconic bubble top design is a highly desirable feature. The seller prefers a trade for a C2 Corvette. Cash can be added, but offers it for outright purchase. A rare opportunity for an untouched original in exceptional condition. Number 9. This 1960s Studebaker Lark 6 is priced at $12,300. Powered by a flathead 6 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, it retains manual brakes and steering. The body is solid and straight, and the car is fully complete with no missing trim. Its bumpers have been re-chromed, and it runs and stops well. Number 10. Located in Connellsville, Pennsylvania, this 1972 Plymouth Duster, priced at $34,900, combines vintage style with serious performance upgrades. It features a 340 cubic inch engine with aluminum heads, custom headers, MSD ignition, a cammed setup, and a no-choke race carburetor. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and pistol grip shifter, it includes a racing rear end, drive shaft, and power brakes. The car retains its original factory honeydew green exterior, twin scoop hood, and rally wheels. The interior is original with stock green vinyl seats. Despite some noted title branding issues, it's a powerful classic. Number 11. Listed at $34,000, this 1950 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Business Coupe features a mid-70s 350 small block engines with 4-bolt mains, a 700R transmission with a shift kit, and a nicely finished interior. It rides on American racing wheels and has a solid paint job showing some age. Described as a strong-running, attention-grabbing driver, the seller is open to trades of equal or lesser value with a cash difference. Number 12. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, listed for $65,000 in Sydney, Ohio, is a meticulously restored classic. It's equipped with a professionally rebuilt 348/49 cubic inch engine, receipts available, a rare Muncie 4-speed manual, power windows, and factory air conditioning. The 5-year restoration included boxing the frame, beautiful paint with tight panel gaps, and an undercarriage painted to match. It features stainless steel MagnaFlow exhausts and modern disc brakes. Authentic interior details, power features, and the manual transmission make this a collector's dream, reflecting its premium price as a preserved and enhanced muscle car.